Welcome to Scholars Ninja YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guides on how to check WAEC result online with your phone. If you are new to this channel, kindly watch this video and make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, so that anytime I drop a tutorial like this, then you will be among the first set of people to see it and watch it. Okay, now I'm in my Chrome browser, so I'm going to click on this place where they write search or type URL, then type WAEC result checker, this checker, then hit this. You see it's loading. So this first one that said WAEC result checker, https www.waecdirect.org, then you click on this. So you see you will have to zoom in for you to check your WAEC result. So if you are checking for WAEC 2024 result, so it depends on the year that you are checking for. So your WAEC ID card given to you during your registration, there is a number you see there that they write examination number. Make sure you enter those number in this space, like 564632, something like this. Then select the year, it's 2023, then you select 2023. Then since you are a school candidate, you should change this to school candidates results. Then you enter the pin here, then you enter serial number here, for example, then you click on submit. So if the result is ready, it will load and show you your result. Because I entered wrong information, that is why it's showing error. But if your information is correct, you will see your result. Thanks for watching.